Hi guys, what's up? Hey, this video is telling you how to find an IP address from a device that you don't know the IP address. Okay, so let's have a look. This is example. There's a camera right here, and I want to log in and do the configuration, but I don't know what's the IP address. What do I do? Easy. So as you can see from here, I already opened the wireshark. Wireshark is a brilliant tools that for use for the network. So you can see the device traffic to your computer is brilliant. Okay, let's get started. This is a camera, and I also have a PoE switch. Not really switch, it's a PoE device can provide the power to the camera, and also another cable going to plug into my computer. So let's get my camera plugged in to the PoE port. And then the next one will go, let's open this part, which is my control panel. Then you can see which Ethernet will, have the connection. Okay, let's plug in. Okay, as you can see from here, the Ethernet become changing from the disconnected to connected. At the moment, it's doing the identifying, see if you can get the IP address. But this camera doesn't have really it's not the HTTP server, so my computer doesn't have any IP address to assign. So by default, it will be 169.254. Yeah. Okay, that doesn't really matter. We don't really need the IP address to find out the IP address of this camera. Okay, let's open the wireshark program, and then click this button. We can select which Ethernet, which adapter we're gonna use. So as you can see before, this one is just called Ethernet. So let's highlight this one. Make sure click this enable the permissionless mode on our interface, just in case some other traffic, do the broadcasting that give you some other ideas. Okay, let's click start. Okay, now as you can see, 169.254.168.70 is my own IP address. Just send some the traffic, try to get IP address, but yeah, don't really have a DHCP server. But as you can see, that is a MAC address of the camera, and during the broadcasting the AR up traffic, and as you can see, ask for who has 192.168.88.1 and tell 192.168.254.4. So it seems like this camera was set up. The IP address is 192.168.254.4, and the gateway was set up as 192.168.88.1. Okay, so what do we do here? First, let's go to the network adapter. Maybe we can just start it for now, because sorry, just stop the capturing. We already get the IP address we want. Okay, so what do we do now? Which is we have to set up the IP address on the same VLAN, not the VLAN, same network as the camera. Okay, so this one is a 254.4. I'll give this one as a 254.1. Okay, let's start doing that. Properties, IPv4. At the moment, it is just a dynamic get IP address automatically. Okay, let's change 192.168.254.2. Doesn't really matter as long as it's on the same network. So the subnet mask. So that's a tricky part, but most of the devices on a small network, they should use a subnet mask /24, which is 255.255.255.0. Default gateway, we don't really need it because we don't need to talk into the internet. Yeah, because we connect to the camera, there's no way we can get on the internet. Okay. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, which is open the web browser. Okay, we open the Google Chrome, and then let's assume this camera has a port 80 open, which means you can get the get loaded into the camera by the web browser. HTTP 192.168.88. Sorry, not 88.254.4, which is in here. Click. Now we have the username and the password, which is, as you can see, that's a camera login interface. And this part, username and password, that will be another topic. Like if you know the username and password, you can put it in. If you're not quite sure, maybe you can do the reset, things like that. Okay, thanks for watching.